Hi, my name is Dr. Diluswate and I'm the principal of Rocky Ridge Elementary School. Rocky Ridge Elementary School, in my opinion, is one of the best there is, maybe in the country. And that is because of the incredible students, staff, and parents who come to the school day in and day out. One of the things that I value about my community is just that, the community. We have incredible support, I feel, from our parents, from surrounding businesses, even from grandparents and friends of the community. And because of that incredible support, we are able to do what we do best, and that is love our students and provide the very best education for them. I truly hope that you will renew your support for our schools, Hoover City Schools, on March 7th.